Have you ever experienced that terrible feeling when your leg suddenly tightens in a painful cramp? It's as if your muscles have a mind of their own, spasming at the worst possible times, sometimes in the middle of the night, jolting you awake. Or maybe every step you take feels unsteady. You have to move carefully, watching every step, because your legs feel weak. And deep down, you're worried about the future. What if one unexpected slip leads to something much worse? Well, the 3 foods I'm about to share can help solve all of that. All you need to do is follow the simple tips I'll give you, and you'll see results. Before we begin, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Leave a comment below, and don't hesitate to ask any questions you might have. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my best health advice. Stay with me until the end, because I've got one golden tip that will help you get the most out of these foods. You don't want to miss it. After 60, weak legs aren't just one issue. It's really an attack on 3 fronts: muscle loss, what scientists call sarcopenia, silent joint inflammation, and nerve damage. General advice is fine, but if you want outstanding results, you need specialized tools. And the 3 foods we're about to explore are exactly that. Your skilled team of workers, each one targeting a specific weakness that's been holding your legs back. All right, let's talk about our builder. It's a forgotten protein superstar that may be one of the most effective foods for rebuilding muscle. We're talking about cottage cheese. What makes cottage cheese so special is that it's loaded with a unique type of protein called casein. Unlike other proteins that digest quickly, casein is a slow-digesting protein. It forms a gel-like substance in your stomach, which means it releases amino acids, the building blocks of muscle, slowly and steadily into your bloodstream for hours. Think of it as a drip-feed system for your muscles, creating a protein shield that protects them from breaking down, especially while you sleep. And this isn't just theory. A fascinating study published in the respected British Journal of Nutrition looked at exactly this effect. They had a group of men consume casein protein right before bed. The results were remarkable. Researchers found a significant improvement in overnight muscle protein synthesis. That means you're actually rebuilding your leg muscles while you're sleeping. This simple change made a big difference for Carol, a 72-year-old from Florida. She used to feel weak every time she tried to stand up from her favorite armchair. After learning about it, she began adding a small bowl of cottage cheese to her evening snack. After about a month, she told us she felt her legs growing stronger. She could get up from her chair much more easily, and her steps felt steady again. She said her long-standing fear of falling had finally faded away. So, how do you put this builder to work in your muscles? It's simple. Aim for about 3/4 of a cup, around 170 grams, per day. And you don't have to eat it plain. Try pairing it with a handful of fresh blueberries for an antioxidant boost. Here's a quick tip. Choose low-fat or fat-free cottage cheese. It actually has slightly more protein per serving. So now we've got our muscle builder. Next, we need to call in the firefighters to put out the flames of inflammation in your joints. And for that job, there's no better firefighter than salmon. Salmon is packed with 2 superstar omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. Think of them as your body's most powerful natural anti-inflammatories. They work at the cellular level to shut down the molecules that trigger pain and stiffness. They literally cool that hidden fire inside your joints. On top of that, salmon also delivers a generous dose of high-quality protein, fuel for our builder to keep reconstructing strong muscle. And science backs this up. Major health organizations, including the Arthritis Foundation, consistently recommend a diet rich in fatty fish. Large-scale studies have linked regular salmon consumption with reduced joint pain, less morning stiffness, and better mobility, especially for people with rheumatoid arthritis. Take George, a 73-year-old carpenter from Texas. Every morning, his knees and fingers felt locked tight, like frozen hinges. He'd struggle to get moving, his joints stiff as dry sticks, and it took nearly half an hour before he could move well enough just to make a cup of coffee. It was discouraging. After working with a nutritionist, George began adding grilled or steamed salmon to his dinner, just twice a week. Within 6 weeks, he said the pain was gone. His mornings were brighter, easier, and he could once again return to his little woodshop, something he thought he'd given up forever. So, how do you bring this Firefighter into your joints? Aim for 2 palm-sized servings of salmon per week. Grill it, pan-sear it, or steam it. Keep it simple. And don't overlook canned salmon. It's budget-friendly, incredibly convenient, and still delivers all those powerful benefits. If you don't eat fish or you're on a strict diet, talk with your doctor about high-quality fish oil capsules as an alternative. So we've got our builder for the muscles and our Firefighter for the joints. Finally, we need an electrician, someone to fix sudden short circuits like cramps and keep the nervous system running smoothly. And our humble but powerful electrician is a familiar fruit, the banana. Bananas are a natural power plant, loaded with 2 of the most important electrolytes for muscle function, potassium and magnesium. Potassium works like a traffic controller for nerve signals to your muscles, making sure the contract and relax messages get delivered correctly. Magnesium is the ultimate relaxation expert. It acts as the body's natural off switch, allowing your muscles to fully release after they contract. When you're low in either of these, the system breaks down. Your muscles may get the contract message, but never clearly receive the relax command. The result? Painful cramps, especially at night, that wreck your sleep and leave you exhausted the next day. The National Institutes of Health highlights magnesium's critical role in more than 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including both muscle contraction and relaxation. And multiple studies confirm the direct link between low electrolytes and more frequent muscle cramps. For many people, simply eating more bananas has been life-changing. Take Eleanor, a 76-year-old from Boston. She was tormented by calf cramps almost every night. The pain was so intense it woke her from sleep, and she dreaded even stretching her legs in bed. Her doctor suggested boosting electrolytes, so she began a simple routine, eating half a banana about an hour before bedtime. She said it wasn't an overnight miracle, but within 2 weeks, the cramps were less frequent. After a month, they had almost completely disappeared. She could finally sleep through the night without fear of sudden pain, and her mood improved dramatically. Aim for 1 medium banana per day. Slice it into your morning cereal, blend it into a smoothie, pair it with cottage cheese for extra protein, or just enjoy it as an easy afternoon or evening snack. It's inexpensive, convenient, and requires 0 prep, just peel and eat. So we've now covered 3 foods you can pick up at almost any store. They help you tackle weak legs, walk with more stability, and ease painful cramps, taking away those constant worries. But before we go further, there's one quick but very important point. Before making any major changes to your diet, it's always a smart idea to talk with your doctor or a qualified health professional. This is especially true if you have underlying health conditions, a history of food allergies, like to dairy or fish, or if you're on daily medications. For example, the healthy omega-3s in salmon can interact with blood thinners. And high potassium from bananas can affect certain blood pressure drugs. A short conversation can make sure these foods are a safe, healthy choice for you. Your health always comes first. Now, we've talked about fueling and repairing your legs. But if you really want to speed things up and see faster results, there's one more factor you cannot skip: movement. Movement is the signal that tells these 3 workers to actually do their job. That doesn't mean you need to hit the gym. Just walking daily can activate your muscles and nerves. Gentle stretching helps improve flexibility and reduce stiffness. You can even try simple chair exercises, like standing up and sitting back down a few times. Together, these things form part of a bigger picture, a healthy, active lifestyle supported by a positive mindset. Get enough sleep so these foods can do their work. Drink enough water throughout the day. With these habits, you're not just slowing decline, you're actively rebuilding. You're taking back control of your body. Start small. My challenge to you is this. Pick just one of the 3 foods we've discussed today and add it to your shopping list this week. Imagine playing with your grandkids in the backyard with confidence. Imagine taking a long walk without that constant worry hanging over you. That foundation for your future, for your independence, can truly begin with your very next meal. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a like. Share it with a friend or family member who might need it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next video on how to live stronger and healthier at any age.